Next is matrix match type question. Question number 56. See, Tn is given, Sn is given. We have to find limit n tending to infinity Tn and Sn. So let's find it. Right? Now, Tn is equal to summation of r equal to 1 to n. R square minus 5 divided by r plus 1 whole square into r plus 3 whole square. So by partial fraction, we'll see if we can write it equal to 1 by 2 into r minus 1 upon r plus 1 whole square minus r plus 1 divided by r plus 3 whole square. So we have to find summation of it from r equal to 1 to n. So we will see the terms will get cancelled and we will be left with 1 by 9 minus n divided by n plus 2 whole square minus n plus 1 divided by n plus 3 whole square. Right? So limit when n is tending to infinity, Tn will be equal to 1 by 18, that is equal to p by q. So q minus p is 17, so it is divisible by t. Now, also let's talk about Sn. It is equal to summation r equal to 1 to n. See, this is 2 into tr minus 1 by 9. See, this is equal to minus r divided by r plus 2 whole square minus r plus 1 divided by r plus 3 whole square plus 2r divided by r plus 2 whole square, so it will make it plus. Right? So summation of this will give us 1 by 9 minus n plus 1 divided by n plus 3 whole square. So this is Sn. So limit n tending to infinity, Sn will be 1 by 9, that is equal to s by t. So s plus t, that is 10. This is divisible by 2. So answer is P. Also, option number A says if Tn is positive, then n can. If value of Tn, that is this one, is positive, then we will see it can take value RST. 2 and 3 cannot be taken. Now option number B. If Sn is negative, that is if this is negative, then n can be. Let's solve this also. This is n plus 1 divided by n plus 3 whole square. So we have 9n plus 9 is greater than n square plus 9 plus 6n, that is n square minus 3n is less than 0, that is n into n minus 3 less than 0, that is n can take value 1 or 2. So P is the required answer. Next is question number 57, which says in part A, limit x tending to infinity x square plus x plus 1 taking LCM minus ax square minus ax plus bx plus b divided by x plus 1. So this limit is given to be equal to 4. Now, see, this can be written as limit x tending to infinity. Let's divide by x in the numerator and denominator. So we will get x into 1 minus a plus, these two terms have been clubbed, plus 1 plus b minus a plus b plus 1 divided by x, and in the denominator we have 1 plus 1 by x. So this is equal to 4. Now in the denominator, when x tends to infinity, it will tend to 1. So it is safe. Now coefficient of x should definitely be 0. 1 minus a should definitely be equal to 0. Only then we will get finite limit. Also 1 plus b minus a, this will be equal to the limit, that is 4. So value of a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 4. So it says point 1 comma 4 lies on x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. It is lying on it. Q is also correct. 3 minus 4 plus 1, R is also correct. That's it. So PQR is the required answer. Now let's talk about option number B. It's given limit x tending to infinity. See here, this is 1 raised to the power infinity form. So we can write it as e raised to the power limit x tending to infinity 2x into a by x plus b by x square is equal to e square. So 2 is cancelled. So we have limit x tending to infinity a plus b by x. This is equal to 1, which means a is equal to 1. So the point 1, 1. It lies on Q. That's it. Now, option number C. It says limit extending to 0, a plus tan x divided by a cos x plus b tan x whole to the power cosecant x. This is given to be equal to e raised to the power minus 3. Now, when x is tending to 0, this is a divided by a, that is 1 raised to the power infinity form. So, we can write this limit as e raised to the power limit x tending to 0, 1 by sin x into this term in the bracket minus 1. So, this can be written as a plus tan x minus a cos x minus b tan x whole divided by a cos x plus b tan x. So, this is equal to e raised to the power minus 3. Now, this is further equal to limit x tending to 0, a minus a cos x plus tan x into 1 minus b whole divided by a cos x plus b tan x into sin x. This is equal to minus 3. Now here when we substitute x tending to 0, so this is a minus a plus 0 divided by 0. So this is 0 by 0 form. So we can apply L'Hopital here. So this is limit x tending to 0. Differentiating numerator, we will get a sin x plus secant square x into 1 minus b divided by, keeping sin x constant, its differentiation is minus a sin x plus b secant square x plus, keeping a cos x plus b tan x constant, differentiation of sin x, that is cos x. So this is equal to minus 3. Now when we substitute x as 0, we get 1 minus b divided by, this is 0 and here we have a. So this is equal to minus 3. That is 1 minus b is equal to minus 3a, or we say 3a minus b plus 1 is equal to 0. 3a minus b plus 1 is equal to 0. So this point lies on 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So option number R is the correct answer. Now option number D. It says limit extending to 0, a sin x minus b tan x divided by 1 minus e raised to the power x is 3. See, this is again 0 by 0 form. So let's apply L'Hopital here. So it is limit extending to 0, a cos x minus b secant square x divided by minus e raised to the power x. This is equal to 3. So when we substitute x as 0, we have a minus b is equal to minus 3. So it is lying on x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. That is P is the required answer.